Good morning, students. The plate of gold poem already I explained. Now see page number 56, warming up session. Okay, see first given one question. Recall and name some narrative poems you have read earlier. Okay, the you write your own. For example, The Raven by Edgar Allan Poe and The Charge of the Light Brigade by Lord Tennyson, The Littlest Christmas Tree. These all narrative poem. Okay, narrative poem means what? What narrative poems means? That poems do not always follow rhythmic patterns of a fixed rhyme scheme. Such poems are written in a style called free verse. Okay. Now see next question. Read the poem below and fill in the gaps. Okay. See first one poem given, little drops of water, little grains of sand. Okay, make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. Okay, down given rhyming words. Okay, thus the little minutes, humble through they be, make the mighty ages of eternity. Little deeds of kindness, little words of love, make this earth an Eden like the heaven above. Okay, down rhyming words given, you select and write. Next question. What important message does the above poem convey? The poem conveys the message about the value of living in the moment and the power of doing little deeds of kindness. The poem also tells us about how small efforts matters. Okay, now see page number 57, question answer I already discussed. Now see page number 58. Here one question given. Why had many collected outside the temple? Okay, listen. Many beggars had collected outside the temple in the hope of receiving charity from the people that came to the temple desiring the plate of gold. Okay, next see one more question given here. One more question. Why did the pilgrims to the temple shower coins to the beggars? Okay, see the pilgrims who came to the temple showered coins to the beggars because they were in the hope that the priest would present the plate of gold to them. One more question given. What did they fail to do? The pilgrims failed to look into the sad eyes of the beggars and did not show any sympathy or love towards any of them. Their motives were selfish. Okay. Next question given. One more question. What did the poor peasant offer the blind beggar? When he saw a blind beggar, he bent down to comfort him and asked him to bear all his troubles bravely and told him that God would surely bless him. He offered him love and compassion instead of money. And last page, page number 59, one more question given. Why had God chosen the simple peasant as the most deserving for the plate of gold? God chose the simple peasant as the most deserving for the plate of gold as he was a comfort to the blind beggar. He displayed love and compassion to his fellow beings. Next see page number 59. Here English workshop. Here question given. See, pick out the words from the poem to complete the sentences meaningfully. Stephen Hawking was a dash in bracket given famous astrophysicist. Okay, here famous means from the lesson one more word, renowned. RENOWNED. Next question, the government made a dash in bracket given announcement about their new taxation policy. Proclamation. Okay, everyone stood horrified. One more meaning, aghast. AGHAST. When the terrible accident took place. She wrangled, bargained. One more word, wrangled. WRANGLED. With the hawker to reduce the price. Handicapped people should never be shunned. In bracket given, ignored and avoided. One more meaning, shunned. SHUNNED. Okay. Make a list of archaic words from the poem and give their modern equivalents. Okay. Archaic words, though, you, thy, your, o apostrophe er, over, thine, yours, lovest, loves. Now see page number 60. Rearrange the following in the proper order and insert them into a flow chart as per the poem. Okay, here first D, option D, a plate of gold fell in a temple from heaven. Second, the priest announced that the one who loved God most of all would receive the gift from heaven. And third, many claimants donated their wealth to receive the plate of gold. And option A, fourth one, the plate turned to lead when it was gifted to false-hearted claimants. And fifth one, for almost 2 years, no claimants received the plate of gold. And sixth one, a simple peasant who had nothing to offer came to that temple. And seventh one, the peasant offered comfort and courage to a blind, miserable beggar whom all had ignored. And eighth one, when the priest gave the plate of gold to that peasant, it shone with thrice its luster. And next question number 4, which two sayings about God are conveyed through the poem The Plate of Gold? Option B and D. Okay. And fifth question, but the peasant bowed and prayed to God. What could he have prayed for? According to me, he prayed for the poor beggars he saw around him. He would have prayed for their well-being and good health. And question number 6 and 7, reduced portion. Thank you.